Hi, I'm Nathan from Aberdeen Homes, and today we're talking electrical. I'm here with Ron from Fiedler Electric.
Pleased to be here.
Ron, can you tell us a little bit about Fiedler Electric?
Well, Fiedler Electric started off just doing side jobs when I was working at the plant. When the plant closed, I started off on my own, and right now I got 4 guys working for me, and last year I think we wired about 55 houses.
When Ron's guys come to site to rough-in a house, it's right after the framing has been completed. What does a rough-in entail?
First we have to determine what the customer wants, and we determine that from looking at the drawings and the color sheet provided by Aberdeen Homes. From there we will start doing the layout of the plugs and switches, and we'll determine where they should go in reference to door swing and traffic flow through the house. Generally the rule is that when you start a wall it's supposed to be 6 feet in and then every 12 feet after, and the reason behind that, on all appliances your cords are 6 feet long, so therefore you won't have to run extension cords throughout the house.
Aberdeen homeowners have a choice of where they locate their pot lights, either on the main floor or on the second floor. Is there a difference in pot lights?
Yes, there's a difference. The pot lights we use in the attic space are rated for IC, which is insulated ceiling. The reason we don't have to put the IC pot lights on the main floor is because they're not actually in the insulation, so the heat from the light bulb can dissipate and it won't heat up and shut down on you.
In an Aberdeen home, the electrical system protects the homeowner from shocks and fires. Can you explain what some of those systems are?
Well, there are a couple of them. One is obviously the breakers, which limit the current flow. Some of the other things we have to put in is the GFIs. We find those in bathrooms, and any outside receptacles will be on your GFI. One of the newer things we're putting in now are arc fault circuit breakers, which we have to install in the bedroom area, which sense arcs and trip the breaker. The other safety features we put in is smoke detectors. We have to install one on every level. And in the Aberdeen homes, we actually put a CO2 detector on the top level.
When the house is nearing completion, Ron's crew returns to the house to finish it. What's included in electrical finish?
When we start the electrical finish, we start putting in the plugs, which are tamper-resistant plugs, which are required so that when kids come or someone doesn't stick a screwdriver in there and get a shock. Then the switches are put in, and all the fixtures are installed. After that's done, then we start tying in the panel and lighting it up and doing our checks.
Is there any maintenance that needs to be performed on your electrical system?
Generally, the electrical system is pretty much maintenance-free, but if you do any electrical alterations, it's important to call a licensed electrician and have it inspected.
Thanks for joining us today, Ron. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Nathan.